Read. The cow is the biggest. The dog is as big as the cow. The dog isn't as big as the cow. Which one is the biggest? The cow is the biggest. Is the dog as big as the cow? Yes, it is. Is the dog as big as the cow? No, it isn't. It's smaller. Family. Grandparents. Parents. Uncle and aunt. Cousins. Read. 1. Whose fork is that? It's mine. 2. Whose plate is that? It's yours. 3. Whose bowl is that? It's hers. 4. Whose cup is that? It's his. 5. Whose knife is that? It's mine. 6. Whose spoon is that? It's hers. Vacation. Activities. 1. Act in a play. 2. Learn how to dive. 3. Ride a roller coaster. 4. Read a lot of books. 5. Win a competition. 6. Sleep late. Vacation. Activities. 1. Act in a play. 2. Learn how to dive. 3. Ride a roller coaster. 4. Read a lot of books. 5. Win a competition. 6. Sleep late. Listen and read. The past tense of act is acted. The past tense of learn is learned. The past tense of ride is rode. The past tense of read is read. The past tense of win is won. The past tense of sleep is slept. Listen and say. Then practice. He acted in a play when he was on vacation. She learned how to dive when she was on vacation. He rode a roller coaster when he was on vacation. She read a lot of books when she was on vacation. He won a competition when he was on vacation. She slept late when she was on vacation. Listen, point and say. 1. Relaxed. 2. Nervous. 3. Confident. 4. Shy. 5. Wide awake. 6. Sleepy.
Listening and speaking. D. Listen. Then answer the questions. 1.
What did you do on vacation, Brooke?
I went to the amusement park with my sister. We rode a roller coaster.
How did you feel?
I felt nervous, but my sister felt relaxed.
How did Brooke feel when she rode a roller coaster?
2. Ben took pictures for a photography competition. He felt confident he could win. His favorite picture won the competition.
How did Ben feel about the competition?
3.
Hi, Beth. Hi, Max. How was swimming class?
It was great. I felt wide awake.
How did you feel, Beth?
I felt sleepy. I stayed up too late.
How did the girl feel when she went to swimming class?
4. Kelly and Will acted in a play. Kelly felt confident, but Will felt shy.
How did Will feel when he acted in a play?